Welcome to our cooking show. Chef Robert will teach how to make fluffiest buns ever. Buns. Okay, now please add the egg, please. Come on, add the egg. Come on. Come on. Crash the egg. Come on. Come on. Good. Now open it. Come on, open. Yes, beautiful. Okay, good. Beautiful. Now add. Me. Add yeast. Good. Add milk. Come on. Milk. Good. And mix.
Mommy.
Mix. Good boy. Good job. Come on, mix. Come on, add honey. We need honey. Look, honey. Come on, add honey. Honey. Come on, mix. Okay. Good job. Good boy. Honey. Honey. Okay, honey. Honey. Come on, flour. Come on, add flour. Oops. Come on, add flour. Come on, add flour. Good job. Come on. Mix. Come on, add flour. Yes. Come on. Good job, Robert. Good job. No. Robert.